Yo, what's up, people? It's Big Girl, and you're welcome to my channel. Today on my vlog, I'm gonna show you how you can achieve this cute hairstyle with your hair.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna...
Welcome back, guys. So we'll start the normal process by using our water spray into our hair and then combing it out, and then using hair wonder cream and then combing it out. So while you're doing this, you have to be very careful not to cut your hair. Be gentle with your hair because it's not a marathon race. You're not going anywhere. Go ahead, pull in this little detangle your hair and make sure everything is smooth, because you don't want to have build-ups when you are combing and all that, or when you're braiding. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be doing normal cornrow. Go ahead with my cream. Then part my hair to the section I want. I wanted a C-cut. I actually did a C-cut, but I don't know what happened at the end of the video. I didn't see my C-cuts again. But anyways, so I did a C-cut for this hair, and then make it smooth and clean. Sorry guys, I can't really see my parting to see how smooth it is, but I think I tried. I think I really tried, and I hold it to the other side so that when I'm braiding this other part, I'm not gonna have any problems. So I'm just gonna hold that into a little, I'm just gonna hold that so that it's not gonna interfere with what I'll be working on. And then I'll just comb this part out. I'll comb this part out, yeah. So I'll have a very fluffy end, and then I'll start cornrowing, whatever. You like to be very careful while cornrowing. Let me know if this cornrow tutorial this is not actually a cornrow tutorial, but let me know if this was detailed enough. I can actually make a detailed cornrow tutorial for you if you want cornrow. Personally, I like cornrow, so I'm gonna make this cornrow. Oh my gosh, my front line is messed up, like really messed up. Oh my gosh, like what is wrong with my front line? Yeah, so you like to go ahead and hold the sides. You can use gel for this tutorial. I personally don't like gel, so I did not use gel for this tutorial. I don't like gel. But you can use edge control to hold your edges. I can't go to I can't get my edge control now, for real guys. So I didn't braid all to the end because I really wanted to create a kind of afro at the end. So what I did for the first part is exactly what I'm going to do here. If you can't cornrow, you can do flat twist. But flat twist is actually very tactical while working on this hair. If you want to make it flat twist, I think your hair has to be a bit longer than mine when you're working with bigger portions or bigger sections of your hair like this. So if you want to work with a bigger section, I really think you should use the cornrow, because cornrow actually helps hold your hair into one place no matter how big the section is. It really helps hold your hair tight. So my hairline is actually sorry. Oh my god. If you have a kind of weak hairline like me, you shouldn't put too much tension in that front part. I was actually losing some part because I didn't want to add so much tension on my front, what is it called again, hairline. Okay, it'll be smart, so yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm not gonna braid it to the end. Like guys, I won't braid it to the end. So I'm done with the style. Literally, I'm done with the style. All I need to do now is just to bring out the afro I want to bring out. So at this point, I wanted to use my gel to gel the sides, but I said no way. I wanted to make a no gel tutorial, so it's a no gel tutorial. So I'm gonna comb my what is this? Is not afro, but let me just call it afro. Okay, I'm gonna call my off afro, and then I will use my what they call ruffle and hold it together. How am I going to do this? Okay, yes. And then I'll bring it out. Once you're done, you have to like push out your afro. Fake it till you make it. Push it out. Guys, if you don't have your hair, if your hair isn't medium like mine, you can go ahead get a drawstring. What's it called? Drawstring kinky. So my hair is a little bit long. At least the afro tried. The afro tried a little. Okay, so that's the end. That's how you're gonna have to make your hair look. It's beautiful. So I held this hair for like the whole of the day, and the next day I just started to make a new style. So this is very simple and easy. Give this video a thumbs up if you find this interesting, and if you can recreate this, let me know. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.